Hello, my name is Buenaventura, and I'm a candidate for Superior Court Judge, Office Number 6. I'm both an experienced attorney and dedicated public servant. I'm running to be your judge because I believe I have an obligation beyond myself. I believe in justice, fairness, and equality. I would like to serve as your judge, the people's judge. For more than 20 years, the courthouse has been my second home. I've spent all of my professional life in a courtroom. I consider it a privilege to step beyond the bar, allowed entry into the courtroom, and advocate as a lawyer. On many occasions, I have caught myself thinking how grateful I am to have such a job. I am honored that I am in the greatest legal system in the world every day of my professional life. Although an attorney by profession, at my core, I am a community servant. If I'm not in the courtroom, I am in the community trying to make a difference. I believe that I have a responsibility to serve and an obligation to make a difference. I have a record of service by my nonprofit work and civic engagement. As mayor of Daly City last year, I led Daly City through some of the toughest economic times. As a council member, I continue to serve the community in pursuit of making a difference in people's lives. For me, becoming a judge would be the ideal marriage of a community servant and experienced attorney. I consider serving as a judicial officer to be in service to the community. It is a service to the community that has the heaviest of responsibilities, one that I'm eager to bear and hold with great humility. I believe in the greatness of our legal system, our Constitution, and the need to maintain fairness in society. I have a deep respect for the law and the court as an institution. After more than 20 years of service, I am eager to be part of the administration of justice. As a judge, I want to struggle with the law and grapple with her issues. I want to make decisions that affect people's lives, but only after exhaustively mastering their issues. I want to listen to people's arguments, understand their concerns, and administer fair and just rulings under the law. I will be a judge to all the people, no matter who you are, no matter what your interests. I will seek to provide over a system that fosters open and honest debate. I'd offer an atmosphere that is not intimidating, but rather welcoming. I will make decisions based on sound legal reasoning. I would not make decisions based on the roar of the crowd or the popularity of the issues. I would make sure that people are treated fairly and given time to make their arguments. I will offer my patience, respect, and courtesy to everyone. I will seek transparency and be inviting of the public. In making decisions, I will offer my life experience as a community servant. I will draw from my own life experiences to look at issues through various different and diverse lenses. I will work hard at understanding unfamiliar issues and will do my own research and homework. I enjoy in understanding the law. I believe that my hunger for knowledge, together with my research and writing skills, will enable me to fully master any subject matter. I believe that in order for litigants to have confidence in the court and the judge's rulings, they must believe they have a judge who not only understood their arguments, but who has mastered their issue as well. I will seek to bring integrity to the bench as someone who's fair, ethical, trustworthy, and beyond reproach. I will volunteer for the toughest of courtroom assignments. There will be no assignments I will not undertake. I will continue to be out in the community, but will be mindful of the limitations a judge may have, and I will never do anything that may show partiality to any group or individual. I will endeavor to be a role model for children and young adults, and I will continue to speak on issues of access to justice, community service, and improvements in the legal system. As a former law professor, I'll offer my knowledge and experience in the law, teaching students and engaging with people. I have taught evidence law and I'm a certified criminal law specialist. You should know that I was also the founding director of the peer court program in Santa Clara County, where I helped launch the first youth court in Santa Clara. I'm endorsed by Congresswoman Jackie Speer, State Senators Mark Leno and Jerry Hill, Assembly members Phil Ting, Kevin Mullen, Rich Gordon, Supervisors Dave Pine, Warren Slocum, Adrian Tissier, and Don Horsley, and numerous mayors, city council members, attorneys, and community leaders. I hope you will consider voting for me as your next judge. I will be fair and impartial and will listen to you, understand your issues, and render a just and honest verdict based on the law. I will make sure you are treated fairly and equally. To learn more about my candidacy, please visit my website at www.buenaventuraforjudge.com. Thank you for your consideration. I humbly and respectfully ask for your vote on June 3rd. Ray Buenaventura for Judge, Office Number 6. Thank you.
Hi, I am San Mateo County Superior Court Commissioner Stephanie Garratt, candidate for Superior Court Judge. For the past 15 years, I have served the people of San Mateo County, first as a Deputy District Attorney, and now for more than 9 years as a Superior Court Commissioner. I am running for Superior Court Judge because I have devoted my career to keeping our community safe, and I ask for your vote on June 3rd to continue that important work. I was raised in Pennsylvania, attended college in New York, and received my law degree from Santa Clara University. I then started my career as a Deputy District Attorney here in San Mateo County, and I have been a member of this community ever since. I love San Mateo County and all that it offers its residents, and my husband and I, along with our 2 sons, are proud to call it home. As a Deputy District Attorney, I worked tirelessly every day to keep our community safe by prosecuting violent felons and those who harm our environment. At the age of 36, I was appointed to the bench by the judges of San Mateo County to serve as a Superior Court Commissioner. A court commissioner is a judicial officer that does much of the same work as a Superior Court judge, including presiding over hearings and trials. In more than 9 years as a Superior Court Commissioner, I presided over thousands of criminal, civil, and family law cases, conducting more than 6,000 domestic violence restraining order hearings and more than 2,000 small claims hearings. As a court commissioner, I have been entrusted with the responsibility to make tough decisions that impact the community on a daily basis. I take that responsibility very seriously, and I will continue to do so as a Superior Court judge. My experience as a Deputy District Attorney and Superior Court Commissioner has prepared me to be the best judge possible for the residents of San Mateo County, and I am honored to have the support of the men and women who have seen my work and the work of all the candidates running for judge this year. Men and women who understand firsthand what it takes to be a great judge. I am proud of the support of 24 out of 25 San Mateo County Superior Court judges, along with all 52 Deputy District Attorneys, Sheriff Greg Monks, and former District Attorney Jim Fox. I am also proud to have the support of San Mateo County's law enforcement community, with strong support from the San Mateo County Deputy Sheriff's Association and the Police Officers Associations of Daly City, South San Francisco, San Mateo, Redwood City, Foster City, Pacifica, and Belmont. In addition, 58% of lawyers surveyed who practice in this county support my campaign to continue my work as a judicial officer, and I am honored to have the support of county organizations like the SEIU Local 521 and a host of community and civic leaders like Supervisors Carol Groom, Don Horsley, and the mayors of San Mateo, Foster City, Belmont, San Carlos, and Burlingame. Every election is important, but judicial elections are particularly important because judges make important decisions that affect our community every day. Judicial elections should be about more than partisan politics because I believe that every person who walks into a courtroom, regardless of who they are, what they believe, or where they come from, deserves a fair and impartial hearing with a judge who, above all else, will follow the law. For more than 9 years as a Superior Court Commissioner, I have done just that, with great energy and integrity, and I ask for your vote on June 3rd to continue serving the people of San Mateo County as a Superior Court judge. Thank you for your time, and if you would like to learn more about my campaign for judge, please visit my website at www.garrattforjudge.com or read my candidate statement in the San Mateo County Voter Information Pamphlet. Thank you.